This is how you create an e-signature using Excel and how you can actually use it in your Word document for your letters. So the first thing you have to do is to get a snapshot of your signature. I'm going to use my mobile device here. Click on the camera icon here and basically create a signature. And then after that, I'm going to take a picture of my signature like that. Next, you're going to have to transfer this using Bluetooth or using email. So I'm going to demonstrate using Bluetooth here. So this is my Windows system. Click on this three pancake here. Go Bluetooth device. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Go devices. And in here, you're going to scroll all the way down here. And then you're going to select send or receive file from Bluetooth. Click on it here. You'll have this menu here. Click on receive files. And now go back to your mobile phone here. Click on your picture. And after that, click on this icon here. And then after that, select Bluetooth from this link here. And then select your laptop. This is my laptop here. Or your computer. And then you'll start transferring the file. Okay, the transfer is complete. It's in this location here. We'll go to that location here shortly. Click on finish. And let's minimize all the other windows here. Next, you're going to go ahead and insert the picture. Go on insert and then go illustration, pictures, this device, and this is the file. This is the picture file for my signature. Click on it and click on insert, and what this does is that it inserts that picture file that you have taken the picture of. Next, you're gonna select the picture format. If this is not available, make sure you select a picture, and after that, this picture format pull down menu will be available. Let's crop the picture here. Select crop from the size section here, and then I'm gonna crop this picture so that the signature is nicely fitting at the center of the picture here. Then click outside, and I'm gonna drag this and place it right at the top here, and I'm gonna zoom in closely so that you can actually look at the picture here or signature properly. Next, select the picture again, go to picture format, and then under adjust, go to remove background. And then you can see that anything that is not black or dark in color will be excluded. Let me show you what I mean by that. If you click on keep change, only the letter E will come. Gonna undo this guy here. Let's do this again. Go to picture format, adjust, remove background. The way to actually preserve the other black signatures or black letters will be to mark area to keep. Click on this and just give a single click on any of this black location here, just like that. One click is all you need. One click and one click to include the strokes. And if you want to remove any of those what do you call it, space that you don't want, go to mark area to remove here, and then just give one click here like this, and then you'll remove that area. But sometimes it does remove the letters as well, so just have to be careful, and you have to do it again one more time here. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, although there's white here. And then after that, once you're happy with your signature, go to keep changes, and now you can see that you have your signature ready. Now to use this signature in a Word document, all you have to do is select the picture, press Ctrl C to copy the clipboard, and let's go to our Word document here, and then we'll try to put our signature here. Select this spot here and press Ctrl V to paste your signature. Now the signature looks a bit big. Select the signature in here. You select this layout here, layout option, and select this one here, behind text. What this allows you to do is to actually put the picture behind text and make it look like you are signing that Word document, and just place your signature and resize it nicely here. And after that, your letter with the signature is completed.